Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Dr. Muhammad Herwan Sulaiman from Faculty of Electrical and Electronics Engineering Technology, University Malaysia Pahang, Sultan Abdullah. So today I would like to present my paper. The title of my paper is State of Charge Estimation by using artificial neural networks for lithium polymer battery of electric vehicle. Okay, this is the list of the authors and co-authors. Muhammad Izzat Muhammad Zalam, Dr. Zuriani Mustafa, and Associate Professor Dr. Adi Irawan Hashim. So this is the table content of my presentation. Okay, consists of introduction, methodology, result discussion, and finally conclusion. So as introduction, so battery state of charge estimation is the utmost importance for the efficient operating of the battery system. Okay, and the artificial neural network (ANN) basically is one of the powerful tools for accurately estimating the state of charge. So basically, this study explore the application of artificial neural network for SOC estimation. That we use the comprehensive data set for the lithium polymer cell model. The name of battery is the EPLBC020 in an electric car resembling the Nissan Leaf. So dataset encompasses various battery parameters including voltage, current, temperature, and other relevant variables. So basically this research focus on developing the optimized artificial neural network architecture, training methodology, and we use the mean square error as an evaluation metric to ensure the precise of SOC estimation. Okay, so we move to the methodology. So basically the implementation of artificial neural network in battery state of charge require several steps. Okay, the first thing first is we use data that can be obtained in the reference number 15 from my paper. Basically we can obtain the data from the IEEE data port. Okay, basically this data consists of training and testing that can be used in the neural network model, and the battery that we use here is the battery that used in the Nissan Leaf. Okay, and then we use the normalization for the pre-processing. Here we use the min-max normalization. Okay, and then we move to the network architecture. So basically we have three inputs consist of if you refer to my paper, basically we refer to the voltage, current, as well as charge, the output charge that measured in the from the battery. Okay, and then the output is the state of charge in terms of percentage. So basically in this architecture we use two hidden layers. That the first hidden layer consists of 10 neurons, and for the second hidden layer consists of 5 neurons. Basically this is trial and error that we do experimentally in order to get the best results. And then the data set basically comprises of 43,355 instances that we have the input output configurations, and for the testing we use 25,416 instances, enabling the robust evaluation and validation of the trained neural network model. So basically this is the performance of the training analysis in terms of the mean square errors against epoch. So we have set the epoch, the maximum is 1000 iteration or epoch, but it converge in 845 epochs. So we have, for the training data, basically is divided with the validation as well as the test. So we move to the result and discussion. So this is the sample of the SOC estimation, and then we also use the similar data set and the input output configuration, and we compare using the extreme learning machine. Okay, as you can see here that the accuracy or the mean square error for SOC that obtained by neural network that we use the Lavamer-Markov backpropagation algorithm obtain 1.19% compared to extreme learning machine that is 2% in terms of the mean square error for the uh, training uh, for the training. Okay, we move to the next result in terms of visualization. So the blue one is the observe or the real data or the actual data, and then the red one is the predict data. So the left hand side basically is that using the neural network, and for the right hand side is using the extreme learning machine. So as we can see here that the ANN obtained much better compared to the ELM. So ELM, we have a lot of variation here in terms of the predicting the SOC for this battery. So as a conclusion, this study basically we have the initial investigation about the neural network to predict or to estimate the state of charge for the lithium battery for this project, specifically for the lithium polymer cell model EPLB C020. And then we use the ANN architecture that have input output configurations that we use two hidden layers. Okay, and then the data set is obtained from the our reference in the paper. And then we try to find the best configurations. At the end of the day, we get the for the first hidden layer we use 10 neurons, and for the second hidden layer we use 5 neurons. We get the best results. So the implementation of ANN models that we use training using the Lavenborn-Marquardt backpropagation algorithm demonstrate the significant advancement or significant results in terms of SOC estimation for this particular battery. For we use the mean square error analysis and regression plots that we have presented in the paper. And then basically what we get here that it's much better compared to the extreme learning machine. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. If any question, you can send to my email at hirwan@umpedu.my. For that, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.